Here's a Sloan Street, 1147, ground floor, 1-bedroom apartment. You have off-street parking in the back and also on-street parking. This is apartment 2. Your front entrance off the street, which is also on-street parking where there's always spots available. And also a door in the back. Big kitchen, new fridge. Just gonna put the doors back together. There are plenty of cabinets in here, so if you like to cook, plenty of room in here. Nice big dining room, ceiling fan. You have a washer and dryer hookup, electric dryer. Linen closet, linen closet. Here is your bathroom, full tub. Extra medicine cabinet above the thing, the toilet. Oh, because there's one over here. Walking in, you have, there's one room, this could be a living room, this could be a bedroom. Probably a living room in here. You also have a walk-in closet, which is a nice size actually. A shelf on top as well. That's pork chop. And here's the bedroom. Or this could be the living room, however you want to set it up. And a nice screen door on the front porch. And there's usually parking spots in the front as well. So if you're interested in this property, go to the website, parasoleproperties.com, P-A-R-A-S-O-L-E properties.com. Submit an application and be in touch by next business day with further instructions on how to view this property. So this is the apartment here. You get a spot for an air conditioner, you take the board off.